I do not know what was going on today. It's now 5 p.m. and I was dragging my all day today, all day. And I'm sure it's a whole combination of things where it's like, you know, my Pisces ascendant is being triggered, celestial things are happening, and um, my hormones are doing their thing, and just the exhaustion of probably maybe even yesterday's quote workout, being at the farmers market in the hot sun. So just in general today, in short, I have been just so tired. However, I do know that I still need to get to my steps today. And sometimes, well, not sometimes, but I'm really grateful that I actually have these different options of moving my body. And this evening, I like encourage myself to just at least get outdoors to do something with Mother Earth, which is, as you know by now, it is one of my favorite ways of moving my body. So today I'm thinking, should I be weed whacking with my Eagle weed whacker? I know that I need to get these plants into the ground. So many beautiful plants that need to get into. I've been craving to be in the earth. Perhaps maybe it's just continuing to clear land for plantings. I don't know. All I know is the part of the 10K today is definitely going to be out here this evening. Have a good maybe hour and a half to do some solid work and raising my heart rate. So we're gonna just, well, we'll just wait and see what I end up choosing. I'll definitely showcase it here. Um, Wishing you a really great Happy Aloha Friday. Today is March 7th, 2025. It's day 23 already of my GenX Glow-Up Journey. So thank you for continuing to be here with me. And I'm looking forward to sharing with you what it is I end up doing for the rest of the evening and night to get to my 10K. All right. A hui hou for now. Aloha. And make sure you're being your radiant selves. Drop it in the comments below on what you're doing to move your body today, or maybe what you're doing this weekend. Are you a pickleball person? I'm just curious. Okay. I'll see you soon. Aloha. Ooh. Guess what I just found out from my wife? That today, because of the moon, where the moon is at, it's not actually an ideal day to plant. So that kind of really narrows down what I end up doing this evening. And it would most likely be cleaning up and possibly doing the weed whacking thing. So yeah, that is super helpful, is because we do live and work and operate by the moon as well. So super helpful.